Welcome to Education India. This is the second part of the series on profit and loss. In this part, we will deal with some more types of problems than that we have discussed in the first part of the video. Continuing on the previous part. Now this type of problem deals with the case when the number of objects bought and sold are different. Previously and usually what we do is that the number of items that are being bought and sold are equal. Then we take the difference of money and calculate the difference between cost price and selling price, which will amount to the respective loss or profit as given in the question. But when the number of objects bought and sold is different, we first proceed by doing calculations for equal number of objects. A fruit vendor recovers the cost of 25 mangoes by selling 20 mangoes, and we have to find the profit percentage. As we see, the cost price of 25 mangoes equals the selling price of 20 mangoes. Now how to proceed, I will show you here. Now let us suppose the cost price of 25 mangoes be X. So the cost price of one mango will be rupees X by 25 by simple unitary method. As given in the question, the selling price of 20 mangoes equals the cost price of 25 mangoes, which will also be equal to X. Now what I am going to do here is I am calculating the selling price and cost price of one mango, because what I have to do is I have to make the number of objects same. So the calculation will be done for one mango. Let us see. The selling price of one mango here will become X by 20. Since the selling price of 20 mangoes is X, so the selling price of one mango is X by 20. The profit will be given by selling price of one mango minus cost price of one mango. This is what I was talking about, that I will make the number of objects same, that is selling price of one mango minus cost price of one mango equals X by 20 minus X by 25, as we have calculated here and here, which will be equal to X by 100. Now the profit percent will be calculated as profit by cost price of one mango, because the profit that we have calculated here, that is X by 100, that is of one mango. So basically what I mean to say here, that all the calculations in this question will be done for one mango. If you like, you can do all these calculations for 20 mangoes, for 25 mangoes, but you have to make sure that when you are doing the calculation for selling price of 25 or 20 mangoes, now this when multiplied by 100 will give us the profit percentage, and the final answer will be 25, as we can see. So the profit percentage is 25%. Now this is another type of problem in which the percentage gain or percentage loss on the whole property or the whole transaction is given, and we have to calculate various parameters. Suppose a trader purchases 180 pens at rupees 900. He sold 70 pen at 20% profit and 50 pence at 6% profit. The whole profit on the whole transaction, the profit on the whole transaction is given as 9%. Then at what rate per pen should the remainder of the pens, that is 180 minus 70 minus 50 pence, should be sold? Let us see how to proceed. As given in the question, the cost price of the pens is rupees 900 for 180 pens. So the cost price of one pen will be simply rupees 5, and hence the cost price of 70 and 50 pence will be rupees 350 and 250 respectively. This is simple unitary method. The selling price of 70 pence is calculated by cost price of 70 pence, that is 350, plus 20% of 350, since the 70 pence are being sold at 20% profit. The result will come out as rupees 420. Similarly, the selling price of 50 pence will be 1 plus 6 by 100 into 250. This 6% of 250 is due to the 6% profit on 50 pence. The answer will be 265. Now, the overall gain on the whole transaction is given as 9%. The whole transaction means the transaction of total 180 pence. So the selling price of 180 pence will be 900 plus 9% of 900, where 900 is the cost price and 9% is the overall gain, which will come out as 981, which is the selling price of the whole transaction, that is 180 pence. Now, the selling price of the remaining pence, the remaining number of pence will be given by 180 minus 50 minus 70, will be the selling price of the whole transaction minus the selling price of 70 pence minus the selling price of 50 pence, which will result in rupees 296, which means that 180 minus 50 minus 70, that is 60 pence, are being sold at rupees 296. So the rate per pen which the remaining 60 pence are sold will be 296 by 60, though, which will result in rupees 4.93 per pen. So the trader should sell the remaining 60 pence at this price, that is 4.93 rupees, so that there is 9% gain on the whole transaction. This is the second part of the video series on profit and loss. Post any query or comment that you have. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.